Hey everybody, this is Doc from Throttle and Ash YouTube channel. So Jeremiah just finished up on the CVO ST, put in a brand full suspension, Wilber's of course. Did some other things to it, but you can watch that video to find out. The main thing was Wilber suspension. Now we pulled in the Indian Chief Vintage. We just pulled off the Catavan, got the name of Catavan. Name of the color, it's a brown color, saddlebags. And now he's about to do a full suspension on the Indian Chief, as well as, of course, oil, primary transmission, fluid change, full suspension, which is going to be Wilber's on the Indian. What else? What was the one? Oh yeah, you got to change one of these.
Gotta change the
right side
skirt out.
Yeah, floorboard skirt. As you can notice, I don't like the skirt with the fringes. So we do have fringes on the saddlebags. We got fringes hanging from the handlebars, but I don't like them hanging from the footboards. I think it's too much and they get too dirty. They always black. So these were the Indian special made without the fringes, and the right side has a scuff mark on it, or some type of mark, machine mark or something, and we noticed it. So we got a brand new set. There you go to change that out. Most people wouldn't see it, but I see it, so it's got to go. Also got a little bit of a vibration. Remember, we put the white walls with the spoke rims on this bike, and so we got a little bit of vibration in the front right tire when we hit the front brake. So we're gonna figure out what that is as well. Since we got to pull it all off to do the suspension, it was a great time to do it, so I'm glad we waited. But this is the Indian Chief Vintage without the saddlebags put on. We got to take them off because we thought we needed access to get to the rear suspension. But come to find out, it might be under the seat. So anyway, we took them off just to protect them because you can't buy them anymore. And they're the same color as this seat, the front and rear seat. So just as a precaution, we took them off. We actually put them inside the truck so they don't get dirty, so they don't get damaged. Anyway, we keep you posted. I think we're doing 4 or 5 bikes in a row. This is inside Jeremiah's brand new shop he put together with the Hardy made in the USA lift, and it's working out great. There's Jeremiah, always camera shy, always working, busy. All right, Jeremiah, at least give him a wave, a hello.
How you doing, folks?
All right, see you soon, bye-bye. We also thought that we had put a reusable cooling oil filter on here. But as we see, we didn't last time we did the work on the bike. You know, I like to put reusable oil filters on all mines. I go with the ones with the fins made by Flow. So they're supposed to be cooler. They allow the outside air to actually help cool the motor. So we will be switching that out. It's like a $160 part. So for $160, they have a reusable, never have to buy another one. Right now, we'll be using a brand new paper one until that one comes in on order. All right, have a good day.